Hello, I'm here from nature. And as you can see, there are a lot of seagulls gathering at the farm. At this big plain. And all the seagulls are screeching and they're eating all the seeds, which is bad for the production. But this is what you call a seagull swarm or storm. So it's lots of seagulls gathering to eat all the seeds. And if you were wondering why they're doing this at this early spring, it's because that's when the farmers plant their seeds. And my neighbor happens to be the farmer and the third most important farmer in the whole of Norway. So, yes, we're lucky. They're going back now, but they're going to this direction. And you can see them in the leaves a little bit. Yes, we know. So that's pretty much everything. But we are very, very lucky to see this today. Just at the start of the episode, we are very lucky. And this is my first episode on this channel, and I will be documenting some wildlife and nature life. Thank you.